Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone slow motion or low FPS animations bug. Let's fix this step by step. Don't worry, this is a common issue, iOS animation bug. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. A quick restart clears temporary animation glitch. This simple step often fixes lag immediately. Step 2. Turn off low power mode. Go to settings, then battery, then turn off low power mode. Low power mode reduces performance and slows animations. Step 3. Check storage space. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. If storage is almost full, iOS slows down animations. Delete unused apps, videos or photos. Step 4. Reduce motion. Go to settings, then accessibility, then motion, then turn on reduce motion. This removes heavy animations and makes the phone feel smoother. Step 5. Turn off background app refresh. Go to settings, then general, then background app refresh. Set it to off or Wi-Fi only. This free system resource and improve APS. Step 6. Disable unnecessary visual effects. Go to settings, then accessibility, then display and text size, then turn off reduce transparency. This reduces GPU load and smooth animations. Step 7. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Animation bugs are often fixed in newer updates, and that's it. If your iPhone still feels laggy, check battery health. A weak battery can cause system throttling and low FPS. Follow those steps to fix slow animations and enjoy smoother performance. Again, I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.